Hola mi gente, how's it going? My name is Hiro Aguilar, and in this video we will be learning another salsa basic known as Guapea. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright mi gente, before we begin our lesson, let me show you a quick demo of how Guapea, or also known as the back basic, is done. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, E. Alright mi gente, so Guapea is also known as the back basic in salsa. So we will be doing this in a leader's perspective, so follow me nice and slow, okay? We're going to start off with the left leg going back on 1. From here we're going to switch our way to our right foot forward on 2, and then feet together on 3. Let's just do that first half nice and slow. We're going to go back, forward, together. Again, going back, forward, together. 3 more times. Y 1, 2, 3, y 1, 2, 3. 2 more times. Y 1, 2, 3. Last one. Y 1, 2, 3. For the second half, we're actually going to go at a slight angle with our right foot on 5. We're going to bring our weight back to that left leg on 6, like so, and then feet together on 7. Again, nice and slow. Second half, we're going at a slight angle. We go 5, bring it back 6, together 7. Otra vez. We go angle, back, together. 3 more times. Y 5, 6, 7. Otra vez. 5, 6, 7. Let's do 2 more. Y 5, 6, 7. Last one. Y 5, 6, 7. Guapea. Full thing. We go back, forward, together at an angle, and 5, back 6, together. Otra vez. Y 1, 2, 3. Y 5, 6, 7. 3 more times. Y 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 2 más. Y 1, 2, 3. 5, 6. Last one. Y 1, 2, 3. Ahí nada más. Alright mi gente, so when doing Guapea, you want to make sure you're doing small steps, not these humongous steps. You don't want to see any gargantuan steps going back 2, 3, and then 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and then 5, 6. No. Okay. Simmer down. Just nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Ahí nada más. Let's try this out with music in halftime and then full speed, alright? Here we go. Go. Halftime. 6, 7, nice and slow. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Una más. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Double time. 1, 5, 6, 7, 2. 5, 6, 7, 3. 5, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 1. Ahí nada más. Alright mi gente, that will conclude our lesson for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To support the channel, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and hit that bell notification to be the first ones to know when a brand new video is uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen our previous videos, we also worked on 2 other salsa basics known as Somontuno and Lateral, or the front basic and the side basic. Check them out right here. Until then, my name is Hebert. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.